Laminate and Ply furniture board gives you the ability to choose from over 400 decors to get the exact tone you want. The laminate face is tough and durable, capable of withstanding steam, spills and hard knocks. The screw retention of the plywood is far superior to MDF or chipboard, so your doors will not work loose over time. The boards from Laminate and Ply are trimmed and squared prior to dispatch, so there is no laminate overhang or rough edges. Therefore, you can cut right to the edge of the board for your finished item. Place the workpiece on top of a piece of sacrificial plywood. Mark with a pencil the dimensions you wish to cut from the board. Then apply masking tape over the length of the cut. Place your rail saw track into position. Make the first cut to a depth of 3 mm. Make the second cut to a depth of 12 mm. And make the third cut to a depth of 22 mm to go through the workpiece. You will then have a perfect clean edge to work with.